I can cash flow. Why would I want to sell that with basically money on that financed at free money at 2-3%? So that's what a lot of people are doing right now. That's why you're seeing home sale prices completely crashing and home prices hanging steady. And that's what my assumption is for the next year. And until interest rates really drop, you're not going to really see anything going on with home prices other than a little bit up and a little bit down. Now, a lot of people, they're going to say, okay, Dan, the charts that you're giving, because I did a live event yesterday going over home prices and things like that. And I hate doing that, but I wanted to show everybody the housing market isn't crashing. Now, what a lot of people are going to say is, well, Dan, Austin is down 5 or 6%, so your national average is wrong. Well, think of it this way. A national average is this. It blends all the communities. So you can cherry pick one area and say, okay, that's down 5%. But what does that mean if the national average is up 1? Well, that means another area complemented that. So it was 5% up plus a little bit more to bring the averages up. You understand what I'm saying? So if Austin's down 8%, that means another area is probably up 10% to balance out the national averages. That's what you got to think of. And that's why a lot of people, if you see the national averages going up and they're saying the housing market's crashing, they're cherry picking. Okay, so that's what we're focusing in on, because we focus in on this channel on where the heck interest rates are going, and that's helping you understand the housing market and then housing in general. So that's what we focused in on today, folks. So that is my report for this morning. I'll be back later today, but right now, here's what we're seeing across the board on the indices. Let's go to the Dow Jones and see what those indices are doing across the board, and then we'll get to the mortgage rates here in 1 second. Oh, this is a little bit slow. Let's go across. Whoa, it's still green. There is nothing going on today. Absolutely nothing. Look, the Dow Jones is up 24, NASDAQ's down 20. So basically a net wash there. We got oil up a little bit at $66 a barrel. You guys know how I feel about this. Why I harp on oil when it gets over $65 a barrel, then it really gets inflationary. When you get to $70, $80 a barrel, it's really going to push up the inflation numbers, and we don't need those during these uncertain times. And then we have the 10-year bond. It's up 0.01. Ain't really nothing to write home about. Let's go over and see what crypto's doing for the day, and it is, whoa, it's getting hammered today. So I might jump in and buy a little today, because in a couple days, it'll probably be up to 119 again. So don't do what I say.